Don't just write what you want to write. That's a mistake a lot of writers make. We wake up and we write what we feel, what we decide to write. No. Have you ever come across a beautiful script that made you scream, wow? Or those articles that made you be like, now wow, people did write though. Calm down, here's the catch. You were not captured because those people used a lot of ambiguous terms. You were not captured because those people wrote too well, but because it connected with you, because you felt real, because you knew that this person was talking to me, you felt yourself in the story. Now, this is why you have to learn how to write beautifully. Everyone can write beautifully, including you. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to write really beautifully, how to improve your writing, how to become a better writer. So if this interests you, do well to hit the like button, do well to leave me a thought, and do well to subscribe. Thank you. The biggest obstacle to writing is not knowing how to use big words. It's not knowing structure or anything. It's not in complexity. One of the biggest obstacles as a writer is not knowing how to connect to your audience. If you don't know how to tailor your message to suit the audience, you're going to lose them. You will not be able to communicate effectively. You will not be able to make you will not be able to achieve the goal you desired to achieve. So, beautiful writing is in connection. Is in connection that your audience are able to connect. The audience are able to relate with what you're saying. They're able to know that this person feel me. You're not judging them. You're not criticizing them, but you're just letting them know that I see you. I acknowledge you. I've been in your shoes. Let's work this fast together. That's connection. By so doing, your content becomes relatable. Your book becomes relatable. People will want to identify with you. They want to keep reading because you make them feel alive. You make them feel seen. I get to my point. So when next you sit down to write, take our time to ask, who are my audience? Who am I writing for? What are his needs? What are her needs? What kind of message does he want to come by at this point? What kind of struggles is he going through? How can I help? How can my writing be tailored down to suit this person? How can my writing connect with this person? Don't just write what you want to write. That's a mistake a lot of writers make. We wake up and we write what we feel, what we decide to write. No, you should first analyze who your target audience is, because for every piece, for every writing you're putting out, there should be a targeted audience. Definitely you're not writing for everybody. There should be an audience, because real writing is in empathy. You're able to feel them, you're able to connect with them. For instance now, the trending news in Nigeria is about getting PVC, election update, and the banditry and the kidnapping and all. Now, when you want to write a message connected to these trends, now you don't just wake up and write anything, because you can write what to make Nigerians trace you, come to your house and beat you up, because there is no empathy in your communication, there is no care, there's no love. You're just writing bluntly. I get me. Now when we want to talk about the insecurities in Nigeria, put your shoes in the state of the victims. Put your shoes in the state of the victims. What are they going through? What are their challenges? What should be done by the government? What should be done by the people, by the community, to ensure these things are tamed, ensure that these things are not. I read a news today that a woman was caught answering a phone call, and it happened that she was an informant to bandits and all. Now, the message I got from there, the message Obia communicated, was being security conscious, not just about yourself, but being attentive to signals and signs. The woman was trying to give them a road to enter another community, to commit another atrocity. I feeling it now. So when you're communicating these kind of things, you know how to enter the mind of your audience. My kind of person, when this person that gave me this information, now I'll always follow the update, because I want to be security conscious. I want to know what's happening. I want to know what to expect. I want to learn how to take caution But if you just say, there's the way you write, you sound so foolish, no one would love to read from you. So you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very empathic in your writing. Let your audience connect with you. Let the audience feel you. Let them want to read from you. Let your writing bring them healing. Let it bring them life. Let it bring them encouragement. Let it inspire them. Let it motivate them. Let it guide them. So learn to tailor your voice, your tone, your message, your communication, whatever it is to suit the actual need of your audience. And with this, I believe we've done justice on how to write beautifully. Remember, it's not in structure, it's not in ambiguity, it's not in fancy vocabulary, it's in clarity, connectivity, knowing your audience and writing to them. So when next you want to write, take our time to analyze your message. Who am I writing for? What tone does this person want to hear this in? What voice should I communicate in? Should I sound calm? Should I sound soothing? Should I sound harsh? Should I sound loud? Should I just know your audience? Imagine you want to write a condolence message to a friend that lost a loved one. You don't just wake up and write anything. You have to get into the shoes of the victim, wear their shoes, know where it pains them, and know how to tell and communicate better. I believe I've helped someone. So thanks so much for watching. If you watched this point, do wait to leave me thoughts, leave me a message. I would love to read from you. Thank you for stopping by once again. Bye.